development the sanction banate lansu koi tawdaba yade lansu tawsu tawri hoji hoji more da leiba condition sida
nursing profession one has to be motivated, one has to be very much determined.
Mikran haine as mai tai di mon manadabani macoi tai nei ka hai aina tasena yechai karigin haimda apoi mai tai mu manaba yamna lingjen manaba ani sude tasena haragadi
Mabamna Krumjari. How Kibacheolda Manipurda Karamba Maro Ebathodok Sing Toki Habadu comes in Zaduna, Nordis Windona Putok Saba program, the weekly news star Mabram Nochari. Miyangi Tamoy the Su Kangning Bagilang Taknaba Param Gani Kanjay, Housing Yang Minasi Karamba Maru Ebathodok Sing Toki Bagahabigi, Samlapa Powdam. Nursama Oreba Matamda Miyangi the Makatopa Tangai Fade. Hospital Singda Tavak Toriba Nurse Singda. Katopa amagaloy na tawag toba tangay fade amadi masagi matong masakang ba tangay fade haina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Stapam Ranjana Fongdoki. Lan sok narabasu lan may pak na bohon na si lan sok naragasu development ki tawag ti lepayada bana lan sumay pak na bohon na si development ki tawag to sumay onsin si haina Kagsing Assembly Constituency ki MLA mayang lamam Rameshwar na Fongdoki. Tumdana leramba thauna phaba maitei nongsa kaya handak thokliba lan asida mamit mamai panghalle haina social activist Maheshwar Thongnauzamna Fongdoki hauzik mathakta aina pansakhriba maruiba thodok sing adu paudam sing adugi maruiba amadi sandokpa paudam miyamda thamjage miyeng taminase Manipur lenga ki health services ki makhada leiba College of Nursing ki tarani thoi suba mapok kumon amadi College asigi BSc Nursing da ahanba semester tamliba Nursing mahairoi nifunipan wasak lobagi thoram ama haukiba November mangada College of Nursing Lamphel Pat ki multipurpose hall da pangthokre thoram aduda Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Stapam Ranjan Health Services ki Director Dr. 𝐂𝐲𝐸 Mangang amadi College of Nursing ki Principal Dr. N. Surbalana matang na Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oina sarugyaki thoram aduga mari lenena Minister Dr. Ranjan Nahai Nurse ama oiraba matamda miyamgi damak kathokpa yamna maroi Hospital singda thavak tawraba matamda isagi mataw masak khangna thavak towa tangai fade Nurse singna yumda leirabasu lekai gi ana ayek yaurakpa matamda mating pangbiu Manipur dagi nurse kaya mapan lamda thanaba honari nursing tamba loraba matung atopa senfamda changbagi hainabi thadokpiu haiki
Nursing is a profession, a very important profession and a very noble one. The nurses are the first one to be there when a person's last breath is taken. And they also are there when the first breath is being taken. The first breath and the last breath, a nurse is always there in the hospital. That shows the importance. You know, the celebration to the Aroiba, we see the comfort people, surrounding the lady of Martin. We have development dear ones, going to be young Maru, responsibility to the nursing profession, one has to be motivated, one has to be very much determined.
Development lepa yadabana development rom the sumai on sinse lansungam na bahona si haina 𝐿𝐶𝐸𝐸 ki MLA mayang lamam Rameshwar na Fongdoraki wafamase haukiba November mangada 𝐿𝐶𝐸𝐸 makas thaval asangba parengi nauna black topping toba lambi ama miyamda sinaba amade 𝐿𝐶𝐸𝐸 lomi upper primary school gi hauzik nauna sagaliba building gi thavak suriba sing yeng sinbaki khongchata MLA na paumi singda Fongdokibani
mayamna khalamba yai hojik lairiba lan gi maraksida masi koi lan ji kauthoga